What is up, everybody? My name is Ashley and welcome to my channel. Y'all already know the vibes that's going on. Pink vibes. Like, we're feeling really pink today. And as you can tell by the title, this is just going to be a haul of things that I've accumulated over the past couple of weeks because there's literally nothing to do but shop. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on social media, and of course drop a comment down below of your favorite store that you've been shopping at since. All right, so first we're going to start with the home stuff because I got a couple things. So first things first, I got a lava lamp, which I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, I've never had a lava lamp before, and I just thought, why not a lava lamp? Why not? And I got it from Target for only, I think it was either $14.99 or $19.99. But yeah, your girl got her first lava lamp. So the next thing I got is from Five Below. I got a hammock. I don't know why I got a hammock. I don't have anywhere to put it, but your girl got a hammock. All right, so then I also got a freaking salt lamp because this is like really cute, and then the glow of it is like really pretty. The glow of it is really pretty too, and I just really like the salt lamp. I mean, it's supposed to like give you good vibes or whatever, but this isn't the pink Himalayan salt lamp. This is like a regular one, so I don't know if it still like give you good juju vibes, but I mean, it was only $5 at Five Below. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you is so random. So I went to this grocery store. It's called Little. If you don't know Little, it's like an Aldi's but better. But I just got these socks, and I think they're really cute because I love to wear socks with my sneakers, and I like to like scrunch them at the bottom. So I just got some socks to add to my little collection. All right, so the next items are beauty items. So I got 3 items from freaking I got 3 items from Ulta. They're all from the Ordinary brand, and I've been using them consistently every day. I already see them a few weeks. Get out the window! I got this Nina Cinnamid serum. I got the Matriexal. I don't know how to pronounce these. And I also got the caffeine solution. This helps with puffiness. This Matriexal one helps with fine lines and all that kind of stuff. And then this Nina Cinnamid is like a blemish solution, and it just kind of helps the overall appearance of your skin. So as you can see, your girl is kind of glowing right now. It could be the lighting, but it's also me too. And that's all. I just have thanks to give to the Ordinary brand and my skincare routine, which is really simple and really easy, but it's cleared my face up a lot. All right, so the next beauty item that I got are these Kiss nails, because it's time for your girl to redo her nails because these are starting to come off, you know. And I just got them in the Masterpiece collection. They're one of a kind Luxe Mani. I haven't tried these before. These are like really cute, and they look like really high quality and salon quality, so your girl had to cop these because why not? So I got something else that's like really hard to come by. Sanitizer. Where can you find sanitizer? I literally just bought these. I bought one yesterday and I bought one today, and this is it. I had to refill my mobile hand sanitizer. That's why this one is already kind of used. But yeah, your girl got hand sanitizer, which is kind of hard to come by, but Target has them, so look at Target for them. So yeah, that is all the not so fun stuff that I received. So let me dig into the fun stuff. So Target had a really cool sale today on their sandals. Buy one, get one free. So of course, I had to buy one and get one free. So I got 2 pairs of sandals from Target. I got this pair. I want them in black, but I figured I already have a pair of black Gladiator-ish sandals. So I got this really cute nude-ish Gladiator sandals. And I got them in a 7.5 because the 7 fit. Like, I'm a true size 7. But for some reason, when it comes to sandals, I like to go up a half size, so I get 7.5 just to give me a little more room. But these run kind of small, honestly. So yeah, these were $24.99. So I think these were the more expensive ones, and I got the other ones for free. And the other pair that I thought are really cute, and I think they were also $24.99. And they are just these leopard print sandals. I remember when I worked at Victoria's Secret, it was like this cheetah and leopard or whatever, and I was telling the customer, yeah, like we had this cute little leopard print bra. She was like, that's cheetah. And I was like, excuse me. And okay, so I have this already in gray, but I have to go back and get it in this blue color. Y'all, these jockey sports bras, or whatever you want to call them, are freaking amazing. They're so comfortable, and they're only $12, and I'm probably going to go and get more colors. But these are always sold out, and every time I go, there's always one of my size. And luckily it was a blue one this time, but I want the white one and I want another gray one, and I think they have black. I want black too. But these are so comfortable, and yeah, like I said, it's only $12. And if you're bustier, these are comfortable and they don't dig into like your arms. So yeah, love these, and they're really cute. And if you want, you can just wear these with some joggers and call it a day. I got more sandals from Target. So I got these leopard print ones. I guess I forgot I had these leopard print ones, but these were I got these on sale for $11, because I got these when sandals were, I think, like 25% off or something like that. So I got these for $11 from Target, and they're just really cute, and throw them on with some jeans and you a baddie. Next, we're gonna do TJ Maxx. So I got this shirt. It was only $5, and I got it in a size medium, and I just thought that it was really like chill and comfortable. And I thought for like a, you know, a little chill little summer day, I can wear this off my shoulder with something, some shorts or something like that. Or if it's like a chill night, you know, if I'm wearing a tank top and then it's a chill night, throw this on top and it'll be really cute. So that's why I got this. The next thing that I got are these really cute pants. My mom actually found these for me, and these were only $9.99, and I could not turn these down. And what I really loved about this is the waistband and the price point, $9.99. That's so cheap. What I really loved is the waistband. And like I also loved how the bottom is cuffed, but you can't uncuff it, but it looks so freaking cute cuffed. And I just have like a really cool outfit idea in my head for this, so I just love these, and I just love the stripes, and they're just so cute. So there's that. And the last thing I got from TJ Maxx, another receipt. We gotta put it in our receipt pile in case we need to return anything because it doesn't actually fit. It's a skirt. It was on sale for $10, and y'all, this skirt is freaking gorgeous. I really love this little detailing here. This detailing is really flattering on people, and I just love it. And you can never go wrong with like a simple black skirt. You can dress it up, dress it down, throw some sandals on, throw some heels on, wear it to work, wear it to church, wear it to not an interview because it's not appropriate for an interview, but you can wear it literally anywhere else and it'll work. So yeah, next thing I got is just from Sam's Club because I love graphic tees. And it's just a shirt, and it says Georgia. I got it from the men's section in a size medium because I wanted to fit really oversized. I forgot how much this was. I'm pretty sure it wasn't over $15. Yeah, it wasn't over $15, but I just love this. The next thing I got are from Fashion Nova. This is my first time ordering from them. Shipping took literally a week exactly. It took exactly a week for me to get them. The first thing I got was this shirt. I forgot how much I paid for it, but this shirt is really cute, and the back was really cute. This is like the back, and then you like wear it off your shoulder, which is bomb. And this shirt will look cute with jeans or with whatever you decide to pair it with, but pairing it with jeans will look bomb with like some little heels if you want to be classy, or like some white Vans or sneakers or whatever too. So yeah, I just really like this shirt. Now the next thing that I got are these denim bell bottom flare pants, whatever you want to call them. I forgot how much these were also, but if they're still available, I will link it down below in the description box because they're just that cute. And they're not just like your typical bell bottoms. Like, they have really cute just distressed detailing on the pants, and I just like them so cute. And this is like the bottom of them, and I just thought that these jeans were so adorable. And the next few things are from Marshalls. One of these I already wore. It's just this high neck bodysuit that I really like, and it's kind of cut low on the side, and it's just like a really cute staple. And this was only $9.99, and I do have more of these right now, so if you want to go out to your local Marshalls right now to pick one up, you can probably find it at TJ Maxx too, but I mean, I got it from Marshalls. So yeah, just got a really simple black bodysuit. The next two things, I'm pretty sure I'm going to return them because the striped dress makes me feel like a middle-aged mom, and you know, that's not, I don't know, I just got it because it was on sale for $12. It's just button-up dress, which is like a cute little summer dress, but it makes me feel like a middle-aged mom that has like 5 kids, and I'm just not feeling the vibes of it, so I may just return it. Who knows, I got the receipt just in case, you know. I'm gonna try it on again, see how I like it, but this may definitely get returned. It may. And the other thing is this really cute jumpsuit, but the jumpsuit was only $13, and I thought it'd be really cute to like wear to work or to wear just anywhere, honestly. Throw some sandals on with it to make it super casual. Who knows, but I thought it was really cute, so I got that. So the next things I got are from Burlington. If you don't know, Burlington is having a 50% off sale right now because they're trying to get rid of all of their old inventory to make room for their new inventory. So yeah, the first thing that I got are just some tweezers because I need tweezers, and this has literally every tweezer you can think of, and it was 25% off of $4.99. So got tweezers. The next thing I got is a denim jacket. It is a Calvin Klein denim jacket in the size small, and it was 50% off, and I got it for $9. Got it for $9.99. And I don't have a black denim jacket, so I thought it'd be really cool to just have a black denim jacket. I don't know if this is women's though, but if it's men's, I mean, that's cool. But I literally lucked up on this, and like, so I forgot to pay for it, so it was hanging on my basket, and the lady was like, do you want this? And I was like, oh yeah, I forgot it was right there. She's like, okay, you can go stand right there, and she'll check you out. But it was the way she said it, and I was like, lady, in my head, like, lady, if I was really trying to steal this, would I have had it hanging on the front of the basket where you can see it as I'm coming towards you, or would I have stuffed it in my really big bag that I was carrying? Her tone was just really rude, but it's okay. Maybe in her culture to be like that. Who knows? So next, we just have a really cute BB wallet, and this wallet was like $9. And I thought the color was like really cute. I don't have a wallet this color, so I thought this one was really cute. This is like the inside pockets and stuff. What I got is this really cute purse, and I paid only like $12-13 for this bag, and it's just this green bag. I don't know who it is. Kenzie. I don't know who Kenzie is, but I thought the purse was cute, so I bought the purse. It was originally like $19.99. It was 25% off, so got that. I don't have a purse this color, so I thought, why not get a purse this color? We're trying to up our wardrobe, trying to become more mature and more grown-ish, so we need grown-ish purses. So I bought this one, and it has like, you know, a decent amount of pockets in here, and like storage and stuff. And it has like an outside pocket, 2 outside pockets. So I just thought the handle was cute. Then you have the option of crossbody in it. They done left the sensor on my bag. Let me start to cut this off. They left the sensor on my bag.
Why you do that? Now you're gonna see I tried to take it off.
Okay. So they left the sensor on my bag. And I can't cut it off. I don't know how thieves be cutting them off. Maybe I need some sharper scissors. But anyways, the last thing that I got is this bucket bag that I paid only $11 for. And I love bucket bags, but I don't own one. How do you love something but don't own it? But look at the studs on here. It's like really cute. And It doesn't have any outside storage. It is literally like a bucket, but this bag is really cute and I love it. And it won't flip the right way, but yeah, super cute bag. And that is all that I got. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned into this video. I know it was pretty long. Apologies, but yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite store that you've been shopping at.